Hello sa inyo mga tolls, welcome sa aking channel. And ngayon tuturo ko sa inyo Kahit Ayaw Mo Na by this band. So, nasa standard tuning tayo. First part ng kanta is the introduction. Yung chord is nasa D chord lang. Ito lang. Then yung plucking chord niya is sabay mo i-pluck yung 4th string at saka 3rd string. Okay. After that is 2nd string, then 3rd string, then 1st string. So, balik. Try natin. So, after nun is balik ulit sa 2nd string. Second string, after nun, 3rd string, after nun, 1st string. So, palagi mong pipindutin yung bass chord niya para maganda pakinggan yung intro mo. So, yun. Next part is the verse. So, yung chord na ginamit is the D, a basic D. Next chord is B minor 7, bar chord sa 2nd fret, and then middle finger, and then middle finger nasa 2nd string, 3rd fret, ring finger nasa 4th string, 4th fret. D, next chord is the G, and then D. So, yun, tatlong chord na ulit. So, kahit ikaw ay magaling, sa'yo lang lalapit. Hindi ko alam yung kanta. So, yun. If nahihirapan kayo dito sa B minor 7, pwede yung alternate na ganitong modified chord na ginamit ko. Index finger nasa 2nd string, 2nd fret, 5th string, middle finger 3rd string, 2nd fret, and then ring finger 2nd string, 3rd fret. B minor 7. Then G, balik. So yun lang. So yun yung verse niya. Next part is the refrain. So yung chord na ginamit is G. I prefer to use this chord, yung basic G. And then A major. The basic A. G, A, balik ulit sa D. So yun lang. Tatakbo, tatalon, sisigaw ang pangalan ko. Iisipin lahat, panaginip na ito. So yan. Next part is the chorus part. So yung chord na ginamit is G. Alam nyo na yun. So, next is it's A major. Ito yung second chord. And next chord is B minor 7. D. So, D. After that, passing chord to D over C sharp. Next chord is B minor 7. Balik ulit tayo sa G. First chord, A, D major, passing chord. So, kung gusto nyo yung ganito, naka-steady yung D chord mo, at saka mag-passing chord ka sa little finger mo sa 4th fret, 5th string. Then, B minor 7. So, try natin. Bakit pa kailangan bang umalis? Pakiusap ko na huwag ka nang lumihit. Sabihin na ayaw mo na. So, after nun, balik sa G, pero pinag-isipan A. So, after ng A, so, yung para siyang interlude bago mag-second verse. Yung labit ng labit. So, yung ginamit ng chords is D, passing chord to D over C sharp, then B minor 7, niya. And then next part is the second verse, same chord sa first verse, and then refrain na naman, balik ulit, and then chorus, and then balik ulit sa interlude. So yung interlude is, I think, 4 yung balik. Lapit ng lapit, no, 2 yung balik. So, balik ulit sa chorus. Outro part natin is balik ulit sa yung plucking chord. Kahit sa'yo lang lalapit, kahit di ka na sa'kin. So, D. Yung outro part na ginamit ko na chord is D, then B minor 7, G, balik ulit sa D. So mga tools, hope may natutunan kayo sa tutorial ko ngayon, and para updated kayo sa akin channel, just click like and subscribe, and then follow my Facebook page, nasa link yung description nya. If you have some requested songs, just comment down below, baka matsambahan ko. So, yun lang.